I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Hello, my name is Shushana, and on my channel I do lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, seasonal decor, and lifestyle videos. If that is something that you are interested in watching weekly, I do upload twice a week. I would love for you to consider subscribing and becoming a part of our family here. So today I am doing a pre-fall clean with me. I am cleaning out my house and getting it ready because I'm going to start decorating come September. And I am super excited about it, you guys. I cannot wait to start with all of the fall festivities and everything that is fall. So today I'm starting in my family room, and this is going to be a continuation because I did not get to finish, but I just started to clean out my living room and, moving the couches around, vacuuming underneath it and everything like that, because y'all, it was super messy. If any one of you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. You know that dirt just gets trapped everywhere that they go. So as you can see, I had so much stuff underneath my couches, and so I had to bust out my vacuum and start cleaning it out. So I hope that this helps to motivate you to start getting started on your fall cleaning as well. Just throw me up on your television wherever you're watching me from, and let's get motivated to clean together.
Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
So first off, before I get into this encouraging word for myself and for you guys, I just want to tell you thank you for all the support that you guys have been giving me, and especially on my last video. I know a lot of you were saying that you are absolutely enjoying the video and the encouraging word. So I just want to keep that going within my videos because I feel like in some ways we all need that. So today's encouraging word is coming from Psalms 94:19, and it says, "When anxiety was great within me, your consolation brought me joy." Before we get into that, I just want to break apart that word consolation. And consolation basically means providing comfort to a person who has gone through like some type of hardship or suffering or something difficult in your life. And so let's replace that in the scripture. And it says, "When anxiety was great within me, your comfort brought me joy." So as we know that God is a God of love and peace and, everything that is good. And so know that whenever you're going through anything, because we all go through anxiety. I know that I do. I go through periods in my life where I'm just like anxious, and the Lord, the Bible said to be anxious for nothing, but with prayer and supplication to make your requests be made known unto God. And so I have learned to put all my cares. Am I still learning? Absolutely, yes. And I think that as we go through life, we're all going to continue to learn. to give whatever it is that we're going through to God. And I have learned to just really let go and lean on God. My grandmother used to tell me it is so sweet to trust in Jesus. And the more you know him, the sweeter it gets. And it is so, so true. So I just want to let you know that today, that if you're going through any type of anxiety, know that God is our comfort and that he will take us from anxiety to joy as long as we continue to put our trust in him. Know that whatever it is that you're going through, great or small, he is able to get you through that. Not only get you through that, but he is able to completely eradicate that pressure, that hardship, that struggle from your life. He said, just bring it to me. Just give it to me. All the cares that you have, just give it to me. Lay it at my feet because I care for you. And so I just want to encourage you today to let that anxiety go. I know that in today's society, we are going through so much as a world, a country, a people, and it's just the enemy's device to steal, kill, and destroy. It's his goal to destroy the people of God. It is his goal to take us away from our focus, which is God. It is his goal to destroy and to kill everything that is on the inside of us, to kill our faith, to kill our purpose, to kill our, our families, and to take away the things that God has given us. But the Lord said that when he finds the enemy, he's going to restore everything, that the enemy has to replace and return every single thing that he has robbed us from. And so just know and take great comfort, take great consolation in that God is giving us joy if we want it. He is that. He is joy. Everything that you need and want, everything that I need and want, he is, right? He is joy. He is peace. He is comfort. He is praise. He is worship. He is a God of love. He is a God of second chances. It doesn't matter what you've gone through, what your past looks like, what you're going through now. God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above anything we can ever ask or think if we put it in his hands. We cannot expect for God to do something that we won't give him. Correct? So I just want you to know that anxiety and pressure, yes, it's a part of life, but he didn't give it to us. But here he has the antidote. He has the medicine. He said that when, not that if you're going to go through it, because he knows we're going to go through things in life because we're living in a falling world. So we're going to go through some things. But he said that when you're going through that, when that anxiety shows up in your life, know that he is comfort. Know that he will bring you joy. All right. So I want you to take that with you today. Pocket it up, put it in your pocketbook, put it in your backpack as we're going back to school. Don't be anxious for anything. Don't let anxiety overtake you in the classroom. Don't let anxiety overtake your children. Parents, pray over your kids. Pray in your household. I mean, we have the power of prayer, y'all. It is one of our greatest weapons. We got to pray the enemy away. We got to pray anxiety away. We got to pray sickness away. All the things that's going on in the world, don't focus on that so much, because the things that you focus on, you magnify. So if you focus on the troubles, if you focus on the anxiety, if you focus on the things that brings you anxiety, if you focus on, all the hardships, that is what you're going to magnify. But if you focus on the things of God, hallelujah, I'm telling y'all, you're going to magnify God, and you're going to magnify the word in your life, and you're going to magnify the promises and all the blessings that God has for you. Focus on those things, because those things are true. Those things bring you peace. Those things are more real than the things that you're going through. God is more real than what we can see. So if we can focus on God and that promise, whatever it is that he has promised you, if you can focus on that, hold on to that, magnify that in your life, I'm telling you, those things that seems to be so big, so major, so mountainous, we begin to disappear. He said that we can speak to the mountains and tell it to go. We can remove our mountains. And it's not the physical mountain. The mountains are the troubles and the things that we magnify in our lives. So let's focus on God today and know that he is our greatest He is our greatest consolation in whatever it is that we are go through. Be anxious for nothing. Be anxious for nothing. Bring it to him in prayer. He hears you. He sees you. He knows you. And y'all, we got this. We got this. We have already overcome this because Christ has already overcome the world. So I want you to be encouraged today. And I hope that this word touches you in a way that it will help to alleviate whatever pressures or stress that you're going through in your life. Because I know I'm going through some things, but I have decided to put it in God's hands and to leave it at his feet. And I'm not picking it up because I don't want it. I can't carry it. I can't handle it. So I'm not going to pick it up. I'm going to leave it right there and walk it out and keep it moving. All right. So be encouraged today. I love you guys. And I hope that this word encourages your spirit.
I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Ooh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful, and it's like you're untouchable, like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight.
So as you see, some of my colors for the fall season, I am so excited, you guys. Like, I got some really cool and cute things for the living room for the fall, and I can't wait to show you guys everything. I'm going to be doing like a fall haul coming up soon, and I can't wait to show you guys. Also, let me know down in the comment section, do you guys want to see a fall shop with me video? Because if you do, I would definitely go ahead and make that video for you. I just know that those videos don't do so well sometimes, but I absolutely do love doing them. So if you want to see a fall shop with me video, definitely let me know down below in the comment section. And I'll couple that together with like the fall shop with me and the fall haul together. But all my colors, or my shades, my tones are just going to be warm. Y'all know I love warm earth tones, neutral colors anyway. So it's just going to be a continuation, but just little pops here and there. I'm still kind of thinking whether I want to go with like a burgundy or like a burnt orange in the neutral colors. So that's going to be like my pop of color, either the burgundy, the burnt orange, or like that pale mustard yellow. Those are the three colors that I'm kind of going with, or trying to decide between. But let me know, what are your fall plans? Like, what are your colors? What's your theme that you're going with for the fall season? And if you're excited, honestly, it doesn't really feel like fall too much. It's still kind of hot outside, but there are days when we do have like the 70-degree weather and 60s, 68. So it is definitely starting to cool down, but it's still hot outside, y'all. So, but I do have like the fall vibes, and I've been just so waiting to get it going. So definitely let me know down below what you guys are going for this fall.
Looking at you all night, all night. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
So this is what it looks like right now, you guys. This is like the first of everything. And I'm so sorry. It seems a little bit blurry. My camera, I don't know what is going on with it, but it definitely feels so moody and just so warm and cozy. And I'm so excited. So I hope that you guys are excited too. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and for watching. I hope that you received some type of motivation and inspiration from this video today. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye.
You're beautiful. I have walked through the darkest valley. I was lost, couldn't find my way. But then I heard Him from within, He who died for my sins. He spoke my name, then I saw His face. Yes, I've seen His eternal